dear students, in this video we will see class 6 maths chapter 19 and its question number 1 fill up. Here first one is very simple, 5 plus 4, you know it is very easy. 5 plus 4 answer will be 9. But what about this? If it is given to you that 5x plus 4x, the question first arises in your mind is that will they get add up or not? So you have to find answer to this question first, that whether they are like terms or not. So here is also x, here is also x, yes they are like terms. Remember, whenever there is like term, whenever like terms means variables are same in both the terms, so they can be added, they can be subtracted. Yes, they can be added, they can be subtracted. But if the terms are unlike term means one is 4x and another is 5y, the variables are different, they cannot be added, they cannot be added, they cannot be subtracted. ना तो ऐड हो सकती हैं, ना ही ये सब्ट्रैक्ट हो सकती हैं. ठीक है. इफ दे आर लाइक टर्म मीन्स इफ हियर इज 4x एंड नेक्स्ट टर्म इज 5x, then yes it can be added and yes it can be subtracted. So we will follow these two rules only in this. Yes, numbers are simple, there is no change in number, they can be added, they can be subtracted, multiplied and divided. But for doing the addition in algebra, we have to see whether they are like terms. So see, here is variable x, here is variable x. Yes, they are like terms, their addition can be done. And how we will do addition? Only the numbers will get add up. Only the numbers will get add up and variable will come in last. So 5 plus 4 will be 9 and variable will be x. Understood? It will not happen that you are doing x plus x and you are writing x to the power 2. This is wrong. If it is written x plus x, in front nothing is written means 1 is written. So 1 plus 1 will be 2 and here x will be only one time. It will not show that you are again adding these 2x and again writing 2x. This will also again wrong. 1x and 1x, it will be like this. 1 plus 1 will be 2x. This is the simply answer. Okay. Now come to the next one. 12 plus 18. When you add these numbers, 12 plus 18, you will get 30 as answer. Yes. But come to algebra. In algebra, you have to first check whether they are like terms or not. Here is x square, here is also x square. Here is y, here is y. Means yes, they can be add up. They can be added up. Add 12 plus 18 will get add. Answer is 30 and the variable I will write only one time, that is x square y. So this is the answer. Now come to next one. 7 plus 16. It will be 23. Now come here in algebra. Here a and here is b. They are not like term. They are not like term. Here is a, here is b. Means they will not get add up, they will not get subtract. So answer will be 7a plus 16b. This will be the answer. If you will write this answer of this one, 7 plus 16, you are writing 23, ab, then this answer is your wrong answer. In algebra, only like terms can be added. If the terms are unlike like this, the answer will be as it is. There will not be any change. Now come to next one. 1 plus 3 is 4. Yes. Now again for this check whether they are like terms or not. This is x square, this is only x, here is only x, here is y square, means they are also unlike terms, they are not like terms, means addition will not take place here. यहाँ पे कोई एडिशन नहीं होगा क्योंकि ये अनलाइक टर्म्स हैं. सो आंसर विल बी एक्स स्क्वायर वाई प्लस 3x y square. This will be the answer. There will not be any addition. Now come to fifth one. 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4, simply answer is 3. Now come to this 7ab minus 4ab. Check whether these are like terms or not. Here is a, here is a, here is b, here is also b. Yes, they are like term. They can be added or subtracted. So 7 minus 4 is 3 and the variable is ab. So this will be the answer. Now 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5 answer will be simply 7. Come in algebra. Here 12 and 5. Here is x, here is y. Are they like terms? No, they are not like terms. They are unlike terms. So here no addition, no subtraction. The answer will be 12x minus 5y. This is the answer. Now come to next one. The answer will be 19 and here you have to check whether they are like terms or not. A is written, here is also A, but here A is written back side, no matter. Here is B, here is also B. Yes, whether you write AB or you write BA, both are like terms. Yes, there is no effect on order. Order के कारण कोई effect नहीं पड़ता like और unlike में. Now AB and BA means they are like. Yes, they are like. That means they can be added or subtracted. Subtract, you will get 19 and AB. Either you write AB or you write BA, answer is same. Now 28 minus 13. Here is 5, here is 1. Here for algebra we will check. Here is A square. Here is x square, here is x. Means they are unlike. So there will not be any addition or subtraction. So answer will be 28 ax square minus 13 a square x. Okay. So in this way question number 1 is over. You can note down this question and if there is any doubt you can also tell me. I will tell your doubt. I will explain your doubt in the next video. Okay. Note down this one and bye bye. See you in next video.